Good morning, class. Today we will start a new chapter in class 10th. Chapter is pair of linear equation in two variable. I am giving you the introduction of this chapter. Actually, linear equation in two variable is an algebraic expression of degree 1. For example, I am taking an algebraic expression 3x plus 2. Why it is algebraic expression? As it has terms, two terms, one term, two terms. Equal sign means it algebraic expression now becomes equation. Whenever when an algebraic expression contain an equal sign, the algebraic expression becomes equation. Why it is linear? Linear because the variable x has only one power. So this is linear equation. Linear, the variable x has one power and it has equal sign, so it is equation. So this is linear equation, but here we see that x is only one variable. So this is linear equation in one variable. In this next equation, I am adding two variable x and y. So this is becomes linear equation in two variable. X and y are called two variable. Here 3 and 4 are the coefficient of x and y. 3 is the coefficient of x, 4 is the coefficient of y. Rest 2. 2 is called constant term. What is the standard form of linear equation in two variable? The standard form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c belongs to real number. A, B, C belongs to real number and x and y belongs to a variable. So here x and y are variables. The values of A, B, C remain same. It will not change. The value of x and y can be vary. Now we come to the chapter pair of linear equation in two variable. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Now we will write it in one pair. First pair is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable. It is also called system of linear equation, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 all belongs to real number. Today in this chapter, we will study about the solution of system of linear equation, or you can say pair of linear equation. There are two methods. First is graphical method, second is algebraic method. Today we will study only graphical method. There are three cases in graphical method. First case, when here we see that the linear equation in two variable has a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 adds the coefficient of x, y and constant term. On this basis, we divide it into three parts. First case, when a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, the ratio of a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 not equal to, then the following condition will happen. If we draw the linear equation in two variable, first equation, suppose the line is like this, and we draw the graph of this equation as you study in class 9th. Second line is this. So when a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, the following conditions will get intersecting lines. When we plot the graph of these two equations, we get a graph like this. This graph contain intersecting lines. Where the lines meet each other gives the solution. Here we see that line meeting each other at only one point. So it will gives only one solution. This is also called unique solution. Whenever the solution exists, this is called consistent solution. When the solution of the equation exists, we say it has consistent solution. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0 are a pair of linear equation in two variables. Here a1 is 2, b1 is 3, c1 is 4, a2 is 3, b2 is 4, c2 is 9. I am note down here. Now find the ratio of a1 upon a2, that is 2 upon 3. Find the ratio of b1 and b2, b1 upon b2, 3 upon 4. We see that the condition is a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. If I am plotting the graph of these two equations, it will be like this. The lines will intersect each other and we got only one solution. So when a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, we get intersecting line, get only one solution, that is unique solution, and the solution is called consistent. Now come to the case second. If a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. If this condition exists, we get the following solution. Here I am taking an example. 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 4x plus 6y plus 8 equal to 0. a1, b1, a2, b2, c1, c2. The ratio of a1 upon a2 is 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. The ratio of b1 upon b2 equal to 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. c1 upon c2, that is equal to 4 by 8, is equal to 1 by 2. Here I am seeing that the a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. If this condition will exist, we get the following conditions. First, if I am plotting the equation of these two lines, suppose I am plotting the line of this equation, getting one line. If I also plot the line of this equation, the second line will overlapping the first line. This is the first line and second line is also overlapping is. We know the lines intersect how many points are the solution of the equation. Here the line meeting each other at each and every point. So it has infinitely many solutions. As the solution exists, so it is consistent also. So when this condition will happen, we are getting coincident or overlapping lines. We get infinitely many solution and the solution is consistent. Now case third is when, let us consider two more equation. 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y plus 8 equal to 0, a1 upon a2, 2 upon 4 that is equal to 1 by 2, 3 upon 6, b1 upon b2, 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 by 2, c1 upon c2 equal to 5 by 8. Here we see that a1 upon a2 value 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 value 1 by 2, c1 upon c2 value 5 by 8. So the condition occur a1 upon a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by 2. When this type of condition exists and we plot the graph of these two equations, we always get one line and then second line. These two lines will always be parallel to each other. When the lines are parallel to each other, they will meet at 0 point. So how many solutions exist? 0 means no solution. And we are getting no solutions, so the solution is inconsistent. So under this condition, the lines will be parallel, having no solution, and the solution is inconsistent. So on this basis, you can start your exercises. I am giving you some question, check and practice for which condition will be occur.